So in this video, we're going to be able to answer what is NFT, where did NFT come from, and how do we use NFT. So by the end of the video, you should be able to answer these 3 specific questions. So let's learn the short form. NFT stands for non-fungible token. So non stands for not, fungible means able to copy. So if you keep that together, it's not able to copy tokens, okay? So question number 1, what is NFT? So NFT, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital tokens that serve as proof of ownership of an asset that cannot be replicated. So technically what it's trying to say is NFTs are unique digital tokens, so they're all different and they're online. They don't have a physical form. And they're tokens that don't have a physical form, okay? And they serve as a proof of ownership of an asset. Asset as meaning your work. So asset means your work, like this girl over here, okay? And they cannot be replicated. So let's look back at our checklist. So we can answer what is NFT, and let's continue. Question number 2. Where did NFT come from? Well, their history dates back to 2017 when American studio Larva Labs developed CryptoPunks. So you might be like, huh? What's CryptoPunks? Huh? So CryptoPunks are 10,000 unique images. They're different images, okay? And they're created from the algorithm. The algorithm is what you use to create these type of images, okay? So here's an example. So suppose you lost your favorite sock, okay? That can be like you can get it back. Like you can buy it from the store again, okay? But then if you lost your favorite stuffed animal, then like you won't have the same unique love you had for the teddy bear. So in that case, it's non-fungible. You can't take it. You don't have another copy of it. Like, yeah, so if you might be like, huh, you can just go back to the store and buy the exact same thing. You can do that, but you won't have the same unique love you had for your previous one and this new one. You will have different love, okay? So let's continue on and let's look back at our checklist. So we can answer what is NFT, and we can also answer where did NFT come from. So let's move on. So finally, question number 3, how do we use NFT? So NFTs are tokens that we can use to represent ownership. So you have your own ownership, okay, of unique items. So you can have different items you created, but you only have the ownership. No one else can take your ownership, okay? They won't be able to get your ownership. They let us tokenize things like art, collectibles, and even real estate. They can only have one official owner at a time. So like I said, they only have one official owner, and that is you. And they're secured by Ethereum blockchain. No one can copy paste a new NFT into existence. I don't know if you guys have seen my Ethereum mining video, but if you haven't, go back to my channel and check it out. So if you don't know what Ethereum blockchain is, okay? Anyways, back to NFTs. No one can copy or paste a new NFT into existence. So suppose you had this watermelon image, okay? And you're the owner of it. No one can take your owner, so no one can have your ownership, okay? And no one can copy paste the same thing into existence, okay? In NFTs, okay? So let's look back at our checklist. Number 1, what is NFT? Number 2, where does NFT come from? And number 3, how do we use NFT? We went through all of that. You guys should be able to answer these questions. And I'm going to let you know that we're going to have a bonus question at the end of this video. So you guys will have to comment down what the answer is, okay? And I would love to hear your comments. No joke. Okay, so to recap, NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. They are unique digital tokens that cannot be duplicated. NFTs and CryptoPunks became known in the year of 2017. CryptoPunks are 10,000 unique images, and so CryptoPunks are inside NFTs, which helps to make NFTs different. So they have different metadata, okay? And they represent ownership, so only you have the ownership, okay? So here's our bonus question. Dun-dun-dun-dun. What is the American Studio Larva Labs? So tell me your answer down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And I'm not joking, I would love to hear from you. All right? now we've talked about how the American Studio Larva Labs created CryptoPunks, okay? And 10,000 different. So they have CryptoPunks are like 10. They have 10,000 different unique images, which is actually a lot. No joke. So, yeah. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.